Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Sadia and today we're going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions on the JW PEI bags basically. They're very insta famous if you haven't heard of them. They were all over my feed for the longest time and I kinda gave in and I was like, you know what, I'll try this out. And given the fact that they were in a good price range, I was interested because I thought it would be a good addition to my channel as well. So yeah, if you're interested, please keep watching. So they do ship from China, so it takes about 2 to 3 weeks to get to Canada at least. I ordered it in December, like mid-December, so it took forever to get here because of the, added Christmas traffic. So yeah, this is what the packaging looks like. It has gold, I think it's too washed out, but if you can tell, it has like the gold detailing on it. It says JW PEI, that's it. It's a standard marbled packaging. Nothing too impressive. It comes with a dust bag, so it has like the print on it. Kind of impressed because I kind of like it when brands do that. It's more of like a higher end kind of a thing to do, but yeah, something like this kind of, yeah, never mind. Oh my god, I'm kind of excited about this bag. So this is the dust bag, like pretty basic. Oh my god, okay, so nicely packaged. Oh, looks nice, it looks nice. So it doesn't feel like very luxurious, but it looks nice. Mine's crocodile embossed, and they're vegan leather, keyword, vegan. It has the nice JW PEI stamping on it. I think it's hot stamped, yeah. Alrighty. You'll get to see in a bit that their belt is kind of wide, which I really liked about it as well. So you kind of open the clasp, it's not like very intuitive, you kind of press it from here and that's how it opens. So good for traveling, I'd give it that. I just talked about my YSL bag, which is also a flap, not like closing because of the way it is. So yeah, this is actually a good thing if you're carrying like passports and stuff like that. So yeah, this is what the bag looks like. I'd say it feels good. It looks good to me. By the way, this video is not sponsored whatsoever. I'm gonna list everything about this bag in the description box. I don't know why it's coming across a little burgundy, but it's brown. Pretty sturdy bag, so it won't change shape or just get deformed as you use them. And it has the belt here. Also, please don't mind my hair. I'm just trying trying to see if my natural hair works in camera or not. Maybe next time I'm gonna have to straighten it out, but for now we're just gonna have to work with it. So it comes with this tag, which is kind of cheapy, honestly. It has this back wall chain and these two main compartments, and this compartment has like another pocket in it. That's pretty much it. These are the side rings for your belt to go in. And this is the back. So here's the belt, you guys. It's pretty thick, which I like. I've never had a bag like a crossbody or like a shoulder bag with a thick strap like this, so it's gonna be like a different look on me, which I am looking forward to. What's nice about this brand is that they actually paid attention to the detailing. So this clasp here has the JW PEI engraved on it. Absolutely love that. I love it when brands like go that extra mile and really like do what higher end brands are known for doing. Plus 5 points to JW PEI for doing that. And I'll insert pictures all about this and find more information on this in my description box. There's no affiliation link or anything like that, but yeah, I just wanted to come out here and share my thoughts with you. So that was it, you guys. That was like my first impression review on the bag. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram. We have a lot of fun there, as I've mentioned before. I like my stories, so I hope you will too. I mean, give it a shot, maybe you like it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and share it with your friends. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!